The gunman seen here from Las Vegas drove across the country before carrying out that mass shooting, killing 4 people before turning the gun on himself. 3 days removed from the shooting, still plenty of questions.
Police say the shooter bought his gun here before driving to New York City. 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne here live in studio to tackle some of the unanswered questions and the message we just got, Kyle, from the gun seller's attorney.
Brian, Kirsten, now that the constant flow of information on Monday's shooting has slowed, we're trying to answer some questions on how exactly 27-year-old Shane Tamura from right here in Las Vegas got his hands on a rifle. The 8 News Now investigative reporting Tamura's supervisor at the Horseshoe Casino sold him that gun in a private sale. That man's name is Rick Ackley. Our sources say police questioned Ackley, who they called an associate of Tamura's, and that providing gun parts is not necessarily a crime. I heard from Ackley's lawyer earlier, who said, quote, Rick Ackley administered the transfer of the firearm used in the tragedy in New York lawfully, complying with Nevada and federal gun laws. Police say Tamura took that rifle, walked straight into an office building on Park Avenue and started shooting, killing a New York City police officer and 3 others. But New York City's police commissioner said Ackley sold Tamura the gun part for $1,400.
Some states, including Nevada, do have laws that require a background check even for private sales. In 2020, Nevada passed a law that requires sales between individuals to pass through a federal firearms licensee, and that gun store, or FFL, has to transfer that firearm as if it was in his or her inventory, run a background check, and maintain paperwork of that transaction.
New York police said Tamura had 2 emergency mental health holds. We have several requests in Metro Police about their dealings with Tamura. Other than that trespassing case we first reported in the wake of Monday's shooting, we've yet to see or get any documents, but emergency holds wouldn't get reported to the background check system unless police went the extra step to get him involuntarily committed. New York's Democratic governor blaming Nevada, at least in part, for having laws that essentially put the rifle in Tamura's hand. Republican Governor Joe Lombardo had no comment to that accusation. Kirsten.
Very much, Kyle. You can read more about why this gun sale may have been legal right now on our website, 8newsnow.com. That story is on our homepage.